Hello guys, review smartphone Poco X5 Pro. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, documentary and key for SIM slot. We have quick charge, super quick charge adapter in complementation and Type-C cable. Device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera, on the front side 6.7 inch, on this side power button and warm buttons, on this side without controls, upside slot for downside slot for SIM card to another SIM card, Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Upside we have headphones jack, speaker and microphone. Turn on device, Full HD display, 120 Hz AMOLED. About phone we have MIUI Global 14.0.3 and Android 12. Close this. Run tests, Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have Snapdragon 778J octa-core processor and GPU Adreno 642L. Okay, results. GPU test results, close this. Look under the benchmark. Under the benchmark results and run demanding game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.